I have no name. Nobody. Why?
Relax. Got it?
I can't breathe.
Alright.
This is Tiffany Gomas, March 21st, 2023, aboard a flight at Miami International Airport. A small dispute over a scratched bag quickly escalated when she refused to leave the plane, ignoring repeated warnings from the crew. Within minutes, the situation spiraled out of control, forcing the entire flight to deplane.
They don't want to get off?
They don't want to get off. It's cool. Oh, y'all were here this whole time and y'all didn't. How about y'all grab my bag? Y'all just here. Do something. Make yourself useful. Guys, I don't know why she got kicked off. That's just my friend, so I'm going with her. I know.
These were the two women who caused a disturbance on a flight, and they had no idea that a small argument over a scratched bag would lead to their arrest, and ultimately land them in jail.
Veteran, I know how to conduct myself. I know how to conduct myself.
Put your bags in the front.
Take off your purse. Why?
Take off your purse, okay?
Why?
You guys are going to go to jail. Take off your purse.
Why are we going to jail?
Take off your purse.
I'm not comfortable.
Listen to it.
Talaya!
Relax.
No, you're making me uncomfortable.
Relax.
You're making me uncomfortable. Why am I going to jail? I didn't say nothing. I didn't hit nobody. Why?
Relax. Got it? Alright. Stop resisting. There you go.
Somebody, I'm a retired Army veteran. Talaya!
Let's go. What's wrong with you?
Because you're making me uncomfortable.
Calm down.
No.
You're under arrest.
For what?
We'll let you know right now. Come on. We're gonna get the other.
You're choking me. Talaya! Okay. I'm choked. Can I be not?
Nobody's choking you. Relax. Can you relax?
Can you relax?
I'm telling you, I'm fine.
You're not.
You're not one acting
Look at my
crazy.
arm. Look at my arm.
Because you're acting crazy.
No, I came off the plane by myself. You didn't come and get me off the plane.
Lady, we already told you were under arrest.
No, you did not. They
Yes,
told
we
me I
did.
had to get off the plane.
Right now, we did.
Wait, excuse me.
Sure?
They told me I had to board. They didn't tell me I had to. Can I please? Can you let go of me like this? Excuse me, sir.
Calm down.
I am a sergeant. Retired
You're not
from the
acting.
Army.
You're not acting like someone who's been
You're
in
not
service.
either. You're not either.
You're under
if you were
arrest.
acting like it,
Calm down.
Excuse me.
I don't want to talk to you. Calm down. Calm down. What's wrong with you? All right.
I'm choking! Let go. I just got
The band girl, like you see, I'm not drunk. Do not completely suffer with you. He just told me she's kicked off. I don't know why I'm being arrested. I'm sober.
Yes, you are.
Brian, I tried to calm her down.
I see
I calmed her
stars.
down. I'm not screaming.
I'm not screaming.
I'm sober.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you hold me? A man can hold me, but not a man. Look at how. No, I will. I am not high. Look, I'm not high. Look at how he's holding me. He's trying to still detain me. Ma'am, I've been an officer my whole life. You bitch, I'll spit on you. I'll give you fucking killed. Your pussy. I have no name.
Relax. Look, okay, look.
Figure it out.
Listen, you don't want to talk to them, don't worry about it. Talk to me, okay?
Ma'am, can I speak to you? Can you come over here? Can we move around? You guys can both hold me, but move me away because I'm going to smack the shit out of them. I will break out of this as quick as you ever think. I live too much.
Listen, you're going to get more charges for no reason.
You don't understand. We got no charges.
You're going to get more charges.
Everybody on the plane has no issue with us. Can you listen to me?
Listen, you ain't talking.
Can I be let go of? I'm very uncomfortable. Can you let go of? Can I be in the space to walk so that you guys can come like this? I just look at you. I'm not trying to fight. How can I fight with my hands like this? I feel intact. It's intact. Look, that was perfectly fine. Can I speak? Nobody has said anything to anybody. So why am I detained?
Because what happened was they told you guys to get off the plane. You guys refused to get off the plane. I was not in there, but that's what they're saying.
No, we did not refuse. Even the airport people, the people that were sitting next to us said, why are they trying to kick you off? You can go on and ask everyone.
Yeah, but you have to understand, whenever the airlines tell you to get off,
I'm retired Army. I understand. I get every baggage free. I get loaded for free. Why would I act any way? Please tell me. And that's was free because I was sitting down. How would you act? It doesn't justify anything, but it's justify you acting like this? When I fight for your freedom, you don't fight for my freedom like I fight for your freedom. I've shot, I've had a guy right in front of me. Let's be real. I've seen die anymore. That's not fair.
Okay, just relax and let them figure it out. Just relax.
Mommy, so figure it out for them to do this. I've never been arrested. You can look at my record. I've never been arrested like this. You want to take a picture for my photos? No, take a picture. I need a picture.
Now you're not being reasonable.
I am being reasonable. I need a picture of my Instagram so they know I'm not home at a party tonight that I have to be at, that I got paid $3,000 for it. Thank you. Nobody on the plane said nothing. If anything, I should be arrested, not her, because she did nothing. We're not talking about. They're not listening. I don't feel comfortable talking to those two. I feel comfortable talking to y'all.
He told me to help her.
Okay, until we further investigate what's going on.
He is a
just
weirdo.
let us know, okay?
okay, listen, for some reason they wanted you off the plane and you didn't want to get off.
I didn't refuse to get off.
I never got
When they told me to get off the plane, they told you guys were already here. You can ask them yourself. I never refused to get. Why would I refuse to get off if I can get on another flight? What sense does that make? You guys are detaining us to keep us from acting violent, but you don't understand this makes us more acting more violent. I'm an Army veteran. I understand how to control my anger. That's why before, when I got on here, when the guy was being smart about veterans, he was like, "Oh, you can't board." I said, "Yes, I can. With Frontier, you can." Not every. Are you listening to me or no?
I am. I'm trying to make sure she's okay.
Go ahead. We're not going to be going. If we're not together, we're not both good. My hands are on one. I will definitely sue you. Not you, but I will definitely sue you. Miami-Dade police
There's
report.
no flights. It's spring break. There's no flights to get home.
My bags are still on the plane. 2 Louis bags. Yes, 2. I don't know.
Well, you're born in that, so I can't
My phone. Good luck. I'm not letting you touch my shit. I didn't even yell. I didn't even hit nobody.
Wait, I'm gonna. Hey, you said you was a.
I don't care. Just get me out of here. I don't want my clothes. I don't want that shit. I want to go home. I don't want that. I want to go home. I've been trying to go home for 2 days. My best friend died in front of my hotel. What the is wrong with y'all? Y'all are sick. You're sick. I thought you would be different. You're sick. You're sick. My best friend got shot, cold blooded in front of the hotel. I've been trying to go home since then. No, you're not. If you were sorry, I wouldn't be in this. I didn't yell at nobody.
Just because I'm sorry doesn't mean
I
your behavior
understand.
is okay.
I didn't behave no way. It was some tears.
Oh, okay. Your bag's right there.
Even everybody else, I didn't. You can ask everyone sitting next to me. They're having me hold their babies. Why would they have me hold their babies if I wasn't a good person? I hate all y'all. No, get off me.
We gonna come on. Don't make it hard.
According to Tiffany Gomas, she insisted she did not resist or cause any disturbance as alleged. She said she was simply trying to get home after her best friend was shot and killed right in front of her hotel and had been attempting to return for 2 days. She claimed she voluntarily got off the plane and didn't understand why she was being arrested, repeatedly stating that she was not drunk and completely sober. However, as tensions escalated on the flight, the situation quickly spiraled out of control, ultimately leading to her being restrained and arrested at the airport.
You got leg restraints?
I can't breathe. No, I can't. I'm not being funny.
Wait on the leg restraints.
You bitch.
her feet, right here.
She's trying to kick.
That's fine.
Charlie 25 requesting a ball reference 36.
That's not gonna stop me. I'm just gonna sue you. Because I feel very mishandled. I've been raped by military police officers.
Alright. Leave it some slack, Manny, so we grab it under the hinge. Yeah, you got slack here.
Oh yeah, but she still has
All
her
this for a military veteran. I remember all your faces.
You're perfect.
I think my cuffs are on her. My cuffs are on her.
Wait.
Just take off the shirt.
Cut it.
You're a cop. You die. You guys are such not even real cops.
Want to grab the other side? Or just grab me right there.
Okay. Hi, the first cop. Ow. My hair! Ow!
If you open this door, it'll make your life easier. Can I get the flight number, destination, Philadelphia, right?
Yes. Flight number is 2326.
Saying she's an Army veteran, right?
No, yeah, no. She was saying that to me the whole
23,
time.
26?
Yeah. She was telling me that.
She threatened her. I didn't know about this threat, but
That's why I remember I looked at you and I did this. I said, come watch the front. As soon as they
I
walked,
didn't know that. I'm sorry.
she said she was going to kidnap me.
All right, ladies.
But in like a sexual way though. Yeah,
We
she
already
was-
got one of your information.
He got only mine.
Okay, that's
Really?
fine.
Okay, well I don't know what happened in the back, so if you
No,
guys
that's
need
fine.
that.
Just your party first. Whatever.
Just like she did to you.
It'll be an incident
Yeah,
report.
yeah, for
Gotta
sure.
blame you.
Don't blame me? Alright, cool.
According to the flight attendant, the woman repeatedly claimed to be a veteran and at one point even made a disturbing threat, mentioning kidnapping in a sexual context, which raised serious safety concerns.
I am a woman.
I understand we don't have a tampon.
I am bleeding from my. Well, then you have to figure something out. There's no point in letting me out without a tampon. How am I
It's on
gonna
this
pee?
door. No,
How am I gonna pee without a tampon?
Do you have one?
In my luggage that's not here. It's my carry-on.
Carry-on's right here.
No, like my luggage that's checked. Not the luggage I have right here. You guys are so ghetto. I can't wait to see you.
let's go.
No, I need a tampon. I don't.
You do not have a tampon, ma'am.
Excuse me, sir. I don't feel comfortable getting out without a tampon because then
You
you
don't
guys.
want to pee your...
Excuse me, sir. Because if I get out without a tampon and they ask you for a tampon, then you're going to say I'm antagonizing you, and then I'm going to get arrested again. So what's the point of asking for cops' help? No, because when I asked for cops' help the first time,
do
you guys
you want to
arrested
get
me.
out and pee or not?
I do, but I would rather pee right here and you guys clean it up at this point.
We're not going to clean it up. Listen,
It's not my problem. You guys will have
You want to
go
pee on
see-
yourself?
It's not myself. I'm going to pee and I'm going to scoot over. That's
So
on
you don't want to go use the bathroom?
I asked you with a tampon, but you're not
We don't have a
giving me
tampon. We do
You
not
should
have
find
one.
one. I'm a woman.
I cannot find one. I don't
You
have
didn't
one.
look. You did not look.
Where am I going to get one?
Can you go to the front desk for the concierge?
Well, there's no concierge here. It's not a hotel.
Well, then you better figure it out. You brought me here. I have a. There's no way you don't have tampons.
There's no way you don't have tampons.
Sir, I do.
Okay.
They're
You have
my
it in your bag? We
luggage.
can get it from your
When-
bag, man.
Excuse me, sir. When I board from here, they give me that. When I board, when I go to the bathroom. Excuse me, can I raise my hand and talk, or are you gonna talk over me?
The carry-on's right here.
Can I talk now?
You've already talked enough.
When you board the airplane, they give. Here, I can help you. When you board the airplane, they give you. You're leaving her.
Huh? She doesn't want to get out. She said. She said she's not getting out without a tampon. I don't know.
Tiffany Gomas was charged with 2 felony counts of battery on a police officer, 1 felony count of resisting an officer with violence, along with multiple misdemeanor charges, including assault on an officer and trespassing. She was also hit with a lifetime ban from Frontier Airlines, ensuring she'll never fly with them again. What started as a minor argument ended in serious legal consequences, raising the question, did this situation go too far? Do you think the officers used excessive force? Share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more.